So after this lesson, you should be able to answer these questions. They say choose the correct instrument. You are given a ruler, tape measure. So number one says measuring the length of a pencil. Are you going to use a ruler, tape measure, meter stick, or trundle wheel? Measuring the distance around sport field. Are you going to use this one, this one, this one, or this one? Measuring the height of a classroom door. Are you going to use this one, this one, this one, or this one? Measuring the width of a book. Are you going to use this one, this one, this one, or this one? Okay, please like this video and follow for more. Hello grade 6, welcome to term 3 first topic. In this video, we are going to focus on length. Length tells us, length tells us how long, right? How long, and it tells us how short, and it tells us how wide, and it tells us how high, right? And it tells us or how far, okay, how far something is. Okay, that's what you need to understand. When it comes to length, we are looking at how long or how short or how wide or how high or how far something is. This will depend on what we are talking about, depending on what we are measuring. So we are going to measure something here. So when it comes to length, we can measure what to look for. We can measure something like what the length, all right, the length of a pencil, all right, with how long is the pencil. Okay, you have your pencil here. This is going to be your pencil, right? So we are going to look at from here to here. How long is this pencil? All right. So those are the things we are going to pay attention to. Okay. In exam, we can be given something like this, and then they put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. And then they say, write down the length of the pencil. Right. So the length of your pencil, you need to count from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be 6. But this will depend on what unit is given. So, but don't worry, we are still going to talk about it. All right. So again, we can also measure the height. All right. The height of a door. So the distance between two places, yes, the distance between two places, all right? So maybe from your home to school, that can be a distance, all right? So what is very important here is that you must know what you are measuring. All right, you must know what you are measuring. Okay, in this part, there's nothing much so far, just that I wanted you to understand what the length topic is all about. It's about us measuring how long, how short, how wide, how high, and how far something is. This will depend on what we are measuring. If we are measuring this, okay, how long, how short, we are measuring this distance, how far, okay, between two places. How far from your home to school, how far from your home to your ground, how far from your home to your neighbor. So after knowing what is length or what length is all about, we need to understand the measuring instruments. So what are these measuring instruments? So the first measuring instrument that we have is ruler. Okay, This is the first one. You need to know when to use a ruler. So we need to understand this. The ruler is used for short objects. Short objects such as pencils. All right. Pencils. And okay, I don't like this one. Let me put it here. Pencils. Better. And then books. All right. And shapes. Okay, short shapes. Okay, can be shapes. So my point is here, you need to know when to use this instrument. Now, the second one is the one that we call meter stick. Okay, meter stick. Okay, now when to use this one? All right, we use this one for objects that are about 1 meter long or longer. Okay, you can use this one to measure objects that are about 1 meter. Okay, objects that are about 1 meter, 1 meter long. Okay, 1 meter long or longer than that. Okay, but you can tell, okay, this one I can use this one. The next one is tape measure. Tape. Some books will say measuring tape. Okay, tape measure is the same thing. Measuring tape. It's okay. So here, when to use this one? Okay, if you're given something that is caving, so you can use it for caved, tall, or large objects. Large objects. Okay, large objects like let me see, such as what? Such as tables, and doors, yes, and what? And rooms as well. And rooms, this one can be used. All right. And then number 4, we have trundle wheel. Okay. All right. So when to use trundle wheel? We use this one when we are measuring the long distances. Long distances. All right. Such as road, can be playgrounds, playground field, or a field I should say. Okay, and a field. Okay, or a field. Okay, why this is very important? It's very important because you must know which one to use, which one to pick when you are measuring your objects. So after this lesson, you should be able to answer these questions. They say choose the correct instrument. You are given a ruler, tape measure, and trundle wheel. So number 1 says measuring the length of a pencil. Are you going to use a ruler, tape measure, meter stick, or trundle wheel? Measuring the distance around sport field. Are you going to use this one, this one, this one, or this one? Measuring the height of a classroom door. Are you going to use this one, this one, this one, or this one? Measuring the width of a book. Are you going to use this one, this one, this one, or this one? Okay, please like this video and follow for more.